Okay, sections 4 and 5 kind of go together. Section 4 creates the standards for determining mean prevailing front setback in the former township's ordinance. And in there you can see that's where we say you use it when and you look and measure within 500 feet on either side. And then it talks about these regulations then only are used, you use prevailing setback when a house is either 5 feet or more closer to the street or 5 feet or more further back than the required setback. If it doesn't meet that, then you use the existing setback, whatever it may be in the ordinance. And then the third provision in there is quite simply so that you don't have to be everybody right on a line. It allows you to say within 2 feet. So there's a 2 feet area. You can either be further forward than prevailing or 2 feet back, just to allow a little bit of variety in the front setback. And that would be the same in Section 5. We're doing the same thing, except it's the former borough code, so we're deleting some of the old language, cleaning it up, and then using the exact same language that we're proposing in the township. I don't know if there are questions on prevailing front setback. There's one other provision now that I'm reading it in case you were. We are also throwing out the largest and smallest setback, and that's put in primarily for small areas where even if you went 500 feet, there aren't that many homes. And Derek advised that there were a couple of cases before the zoning board where within that area you only had 3 homes, one of which was the subject one. One house was very close to the street, one house was very far back, and it was like taking an average didn't do what you wanted. So this basically says that homeowners should choose one or the other. At a staff level, we didn't care whether it was close to the street or you were setting a pattern that it's further back, but that the idea was not to have that in and out.
That happened with me when I put the porch on my house. I had to get a variance. I mean, and you know my house, it doesn't seem like it would need a variance.
And